Here are some of the most enlightening facts we know about migraine disorder. It is the third most common disease in the world. Women suffer from migraine more than men. Kids get migraines too. Migraine may be hereditary. Every 1 out of 10 people suffers from migraine. Today from my channel Active Ash, we will discuss about migraine, its causes, some recommended lifestyle changes, diet recommendation, and some dietary food supplements to manage migraine. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far.
Most of the diseases caused in our body is due to untreated inflammation. Migraine is a disorder caused due to inflammation around the brain. When there is an increased release of a type of protein by the brain called CGRP, which is calcitonin gene-related peptide, it results in inflammation around the brain, causing intense pain.
When compared with a general headache, migraine typically affects only one side of the head, and the pain caused due to migraine is intense such that it may be throbbing and make it difficult to perform daily tasks. Some people experience headaches so severe that they seek care at an emergency room. There are various types of headaches like tension headaches, cluster headache, sinusitis, cervical headache, and migraine. The typical characteristics of migraine are it lasts for about 4 to 72 hours. It occurs in a unilateral location, which means only one side of the head. Intensity of pain may be moderate or severe. Migraines are usually accompanied by nausea or vomiting. It gets aggravated by routine daily activity, and migraine is sensitive to light and sound.
There are 4 stages of migraine: prodrome, aura, headache, and postdrome. You may cycle through all of these phases when you have a migraine, or you might experience just 1, 2, or all of them. The headache phase is the most common, while the aura is the least common.
A person suffering from any of the below conditions is more prone to develop migraine. First is depression, then bipolar disorder, irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, and overactive bladder, sleep disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, and anxiety.
The inflammation can be reduced in our body through food and exercise. Some of the food items that can help in reducing inflammation are bananas, low-fat milk, fatty fish, avocados, dark chocolates, almonds, pumpkin seeds, cherries, and potatoes. Also, grape juice can be used to revive severe migraines. Yoga asana like lotus pose, bow pose, tree pose, boat pose, and savasana will help you get migraine in control.
Due to our busy lifestyle, incorporating diet changes may not be always a very feasible option. In such cases, dietary supplements plays a major role in managing migraine. Let's discuss a few must-haves.
Neutralite coenzyme Q10 is one of the most effective nutritional supplements found to prevent migraine. CoQ10 is an essential nutrient produced internally by the body for metabolizing the food that we eat. With age, the production reduces and it becomes challenging to obtain CoQ10 from the diet alone. The natural sources for CoQ10 are foods typically high in fat such as meats, beef, vegetable oil, etc. Taking CoQ10 regularly reduces inflammation in the body. In a trial, it was found that taking 100 mg of CoQ10 3 times a day could reduce migraine frequency by around 50%. We need to take 4 capsules daily, preferably with a meal. Next is Brahmi and Ashwagandha from Neutralite's herbal range. Herbs like Brahmi and Ashwagandha are known to improve memory and intellect. Together, they act as a nerve tonic and serve the function of both stimulating as well as calming our nervous system. Neutralite Brahmi has 20% assured levels of the active ingredient called bacoside. You can take 1 to 2 tablets a day. Neutralite Ashwagandha has 2.5% of assured levels of the active ingredient with phenolides, which is present in the extract of the roots of ashwagandha. 1 to 2 tablets can be taken with warm water or milk before sleeping. Apart from these, Neutralite PDO, which is all plant protein powder multivitamin and omega-3, also helps in reducing inflammation and helps in fulfilling key macro and micronutrients. I have made separate videos on Neutralite PDO. do check out that as well.
If you need any more information on this or have any specific question, then you can WhatsApp me on my number mentioned in the description box. So thanks for watching and bye for now.